How to change avatar on Facebook. So if you want to change avatar on Facebook, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. And here you just need to simply go with your profile. Under your profile, you need to tap on the profile picture, and here you will have an avatar option, right? But if you don't have that option, then what you need to do is just simply go and turn on your avatar. So to turn it on, you just need to simply go with edit profile. Under edit profile, here you will have your avatar, right? So make sure that you have the option show on profile toggled on. And once you toggle it on, here under the avatar on the upper right side, you will have edit option. Tap on edit and then go with the appearance. And from here you can change your avatar. So you can simply go with the style, hair, makeup, face or body or closet or everything, and you'll be able to change it. And once you've changed, you can go with save, which is on the upper right, and in this way you'll be able to change your avatar on Facebook. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.